Everyone's been asking me where the housing market is headed. Here's a look at the change we're seeing right now as the market shifts away from the frenzy we had last year. Today, buyer activity is down and housing inventory is up. That's a big change from where we were last year this time, and it's happened quickly. Active listings or homes available for sale have increased more than 26% compared to this time last year. And at the same time, buyer demand, also known as showings, have decreased almost 17%. We call that an inflection point. Over the past 2 years, we saw a massive amount of demand and not enough homes available for the number of people who wanted to buy them. Today, the market looks completely different as those factors undergo a shift. So what's the bottom line? Whether you're buying or selling, I can help you understand what's happening in the housing market and what that means for you and your plans moving forward. Give me a call, text, or email, and let's connect.